Today we're gonna unbox the Dreame D9 robot vacuum and the mop 2-in-1. Let's see. There's nice boxes that match the theme color of the vacuum. Okay, let's start. Okay, you can see the user menu and quick start guides at the very top. Ta-da! Nice packaging. Nice and shiny surface. Okay, this is the charging dock. Very nice outlook. Looks clean and neat. This is the power cord. It's pretty straightforward. On the side of the charging dock, plug in the cord and put the other side to the wall. And make sure to wrap all this together. Okay. And this contains the side brush, mop pad, and water tank. Side brush, need to install it at the bottom. Okay, you can just easily press and click. Hit the click sign, it's done. So the mop pad has been attached to the water tank. It looks small, but it does actually can contain 270 milliliters of water. Okay, so flip the robot again, and this one just easily click on it and done. But if you don't want to mop and vacuum at the same time, and you can remove that for now and wait till it finishes the vacuum, and then just put this back on. And you can open at the top here. You can see the dustbin. You can easily just lift it up, clean the filters, and open the box to empty the dust whenever needed. Okay, so we're gonna Place it on the charging dot to get it fully charged before it starts work, but make sure every time when you start to charge, please press the button on both sides to remove the water tank and the wrap cloth for safety. You can see there's tear it off before use on both sides, so tear it. You can see the white light is on and flashing. That means it's charging. Well, according to the user menu, nice music. That means it's back to the Dodge and charging. And according to the user menu, it needs 6 hours to get it fully charged. So it's recommended to get it fully charged before its first use, because it will create the floor map for your whole floor after finishing the job for the whole floor. Okay, so there's a QR code on the user menu that you can scan to download the Xiaomi Home app or Mi Home app, or you can just Google search the app on the App Store, yeah, and install. Okay, so once you register an account, it will prompt you to find your device. You can scroll down to all the way down to find out the Dreame D9, or just simply type it here, and then it show up. Press operation confirm. Next, connect to another router.
Home app and wait for the network connection to complete.
Yeah, once you connect to the Wi-Fi, it will have some voice prompt.
Network connected successfully.
So organize your home first. So that means clear all the obstacle as much as possible. Yeah, keep the charging dot like 0.5 meter away from everything. Assume start to experience. Prompt you for firmware update. That's great. That's what I expected.
Minutes. Do not turn it off, nor start a cleaning task.
You can see all the lights are flashing. That means it's updating the firmware right now. Successfully.